What mistakes cause pop-up drink stands to lose Boba customers? They lose customers when drinks are inconsistent, orders take too long, ingredients seem old, or the stand makes choosing and ordering confusing. Boba customers usually return for the same taste, sweetness, ice level, and chewy texture, so write down every recipe and measure each ingredient instead of guessing. Tapioca pearls are often best within a few hours because they slowly harden, even when they still look fine, so cook smaller batches and replace them regularly. Keep pearls warm in syrup, but do not leave them sitting all day since they can become mushy, dry, or overly sweet. Ice melts quickly in a hot outdoor stand, and that extra water can make a carefully mixed drink taste weak, so use enough chilled tea and keep ingredients shaded or cooled. A short menu with clear names, flavor descriptions, and pictures helps people order quickly, especially when they have never tried boba before. Customers also notice when a drink has too much ice, a sealed cup leaks, or the straw is too narrow for the pearls, so test the complete drink before selling it. One lesser-known problem is that tea can lose its fresh flavor after sitting in heat, so brew smaller amounts and mark the time each batch was made. Offer a small sample or ask one simple question about sweetness and ice, then repeat the customer's choice before preparing the drink. A common mistake is offering too many choices, which slows the line and makes people nervous. Begin with a few popular drinks and let customers customize them after choosing. Another mistake is changing recipes from one shift to the next. Use measuring tools, written instructions, and a quick taste check before opening. Some stands focus on attractive toppings but ignore speed and cleanliness, so keep the counter organized, wash tools often, and tell waiting customers honestly how long their order will take. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.